people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So you read from the title, we are going to be unbagging IPSY vs. IPSY. These are for the April 2020. If you don't know what that is, what I do is I go by two different profiles. I go with my real profile, which I'm 44, I have black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do a separate profile and I say I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So if you were interested to see, does IPSY go by profiles? Then just keep on watching. All right, if you haven't seen my last video, I will leave that down below. Check that out. And I do have a 40K giveaway that will be 4 winners. So if you haven't seen that or entered that yet, I'll also leave that down below for you. All right, so I have on here, a lot of people ask me, how do I know which is which? I go online on my email and I do the tracking number, and that's how I know. So I always start off with mine, which is my 44-year-old profile. Now I just turned 44 April 6th. So I did change it, but they actually did this for my 43-year-old since I just turned 44. So this will be my 43-year-old, black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. All right, so there's nothing else in here. And this is what the bag looks here. Oh, this is a $12 a month subscription. IPSY does have 3 different subscriptions. They have this one, which is my favorite. It is $12 a month. Then they have a little upgrade, which is IPSY Plus, which I'll leave that down below because I did do that. And then they also have the IPSY Ultimate, which I'll leave that down below. I also did that this month, and that's $50 a month. But these are the $12. So you always get a bag, and this month the bag is really, really pretty. I love this wooden little thingy here. I think it's so cute. All right, so you do get a card, which I like that. Got some stuff stuck there. So this month's theme is Full Bloom. And you know what they say, April showers brings May flowers. And then on the inside tells you what everything is, and we'll give you prices for the full-size items. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from, I don't know how to pronounce this, ORYZA Beauty. You do get to pick a product for what you want, and I forget what I picked. I'm not sure. I know it wasn't this one. All right, let's open it up. Oh, it has plastic on it, so let me cut that open. All right, so what this is a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow palette, and they say this is full size, and it's $19.95. This little thing is $20. No, oh my God. I don't think I'd ever pay $20 for this little thing. I'm having issues. So that's what it looks like. And that's the back. I can't get over this is full size for $20. All right, so you don't get a mirror, and then look at that. All right, so you have one matte, and then the rest are shimmers. So let's do some swatches. And there we go. It's very pretty. I just would never pay $20 for that little thing, but it's really pretty. And there are the swatches right there. This one is the lightest swatch. All right, so we have that. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Kaleido Cosmetics. This is a skin blush, and this is full size, and it retail values for $8. Now that's more like it. I love blush. I love bronzer too. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. So you do have a mirror, and you have a blush. It's more like a satiny blush. It's not matte. So let's see. That's really, really pretty. Oh yeah, that's right there. I'm going to see if it's buildable. I'm not into, I like matte, like blushes and bronzers, but this isn't too bad. This is really pretty. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. All right, so we have that, and this is what I just hit my lipstick. And this is what I mean. You definitely get your bang for your buck with that. So right there, I mean, it covers the bag. I mean, this alone was $20. There you go. You paid for the bag. All right. Next thing we have is a real vitamin C serum. So we have that. And this is a deluxe sample. And if it was full size, it retails for $38 for the full size. And I love vitamin C. It's really good if you have any dark spots or sun damage, like sunspots. It really does brighten up your skin. So I'm happy to get that. Okay, so this is what I remember picking. This is from Koki Cosmetics, and it's a concealer. I got it in the shade Light. They sell this at Walmart, and I do love this brand. So this is full size, and the retail value is for $8. So let's swatch it. So it's like a regular doe foot applicator. And let's say I'll put it right here. Let's put a little more on. Not a lot comes out at first. Okay, so that is what it looks like right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm filming during the day. Usually I film all my videos at night. Like I start filming like around 6, 7 o'clock at night. So it is like 11 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know how to adjust the lighting when I do it so early, you know? So I hope you guys can see that. So let's see. Oh yeah, it blends really, really pretty. All right, so I'm excited to get that. And last but not least, we got this Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Where did I get this from? I think I got this in an IPSY Ultimate, I believe. But I do have this, and I tried it the other day, and I actually like it. So it's very small, but you don't need that much for eye cream. And this is a deluxe sample, of course, and the full size would be $27. All right, so let's recap what we got in my 44-year-old profile. So we have an eye cream, which is great for somebody my age. You would want that. This was my choice item, so I like that. I'm happy to get that. We have some vitamin C, which I'm happy to get that. And then we have this contour eyeshadow palette. It's like it says Nude Shimmer and Contour Palette. This is full size and $20. And then we have a blush. So there we go. I don't know. If I'm comfortable with makeup, I would think you would get a little bit more color. And I mean, so we have 3 makeup products and 2 skincare products, which isn't bad. All right. So let's move on to my 25-year-old profile that I say I have red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So usually with this, you would get like all your neutral colors and stuff like that. All right, so we have something inside the bag, which this is a Strawberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask from Youth to the People. I think this is what I picked. I'm not sure. All right, so same bag. Again, the theme is Full Bloom. And then, yeah, so you have everything on here with the prices. So I don't see this on here. This might have been like what I used for points. So let me just show you what it is. I probably used this for, did I? No, that is in here. I apologize. So this is what I picked. I love skincare. That looks a little blurry. Let's see. So this is the deluxe sample. Full size will be $48. And it says, get glowing while you sleep with this intensely hydrating overnight mask, which I love overnight mask. It says it uses vitamin C, squalane, which mimics skin's natural oils, has antioxidants to brighten up your skin, help fade dark spots, improve elasticity. You guys know I can't say that word. And even out your skin tone for a beautiful complexion. It says, tip, apply an even layer to clean skin at night and catch up on some beauty sleep. Okay, so this is definitely enough just to try it to see if you like it. You can definitely get a few uses out of it. So it has a safety seal. And it doesn't really have a scent, which I rather have it like that for skincare. I hate when they put fragrances. You know, in skincare. I don't know why they do that. All right, so that's the first thing. So then we have, it looks like a little lipstick. This is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is in the shade Foster. All right, let me open it up. I noticed this year that a lot of companies are going for bullet lipsticks instead of the liquid lipsticks. And I've always been a fan of bullet lipsticks. So this is like a light shade. It looks very matte, which I like the color. So let's see. That actually swatches darker than what it's in person. Really, really pretty. I'll definitely be using this. All right, so this is a deluxe sample. Holy crap, that's pretty big for a deluxe sample. And it says the full size would be $22. Okay. The next thing we got is this thing, and this is Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in I'll Be Black instead of I'll Be Black. All right, I've got this numerous times. I did again check to make sure that I do not want eyeliners, and of course I get them in every subscription. So I'm gonna put this away for a future giveaway. So then we got this Moisture Boost from Tony Moly. And this is a cleanser. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version is $13.50. And last but not least is this brush. And I love getting brushes. I always tell them to put tools in there. And this is like a little eyeshadow brush. This is from Araceli? I'm not sure how you would pronounce that. And of course, this is full size, and this retails for $14. So let's recap what we got in my 25-year-old profile. So we got this makeup brush, which I love. We have a cleanser. I do not mind getting cleansers. And when I ever get too many, I do have a 15-year-old son that is going through puberty, so I give him cleansers, so I don't mind that. We have a Lovecraft lipstick, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm into like the 90s theme, so I love all the colors like that. So we have that. We have a liquid eyeliner that I always say I do not want, and of course it's in black, so we have that. And then I have my choice item, so I'm excited to get. This is an overnight mask. So I got two makeup products, and then I got a tool, and then I have two skincare products. So this definitely goes for somebody that's not comfortable with makeup. I really believe that. So I think they got the right profile for that. But my 44-year-old profile, I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys get this? Do you not get it? Did you put it on hold? Let me know. And if you do get it, let me know what you got down below. Also, let me know which profile did you like better this month, the 44-year-old or the 25-year-old. I'm not like overly like excited about both bags this month, but it definitely has its hits and misses. There have been times that I like love the bag. So I definitely think it's worth $12. I really do. I think every month they definitely exceed the $12. So I'm not knocking that. But let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. And like I said, I will also leave down below the links to the other videos. If you like unboxings or you like me, then I would hope that you hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join our family. Make sure that you put the bell on and have it on all. That way you can be notified for all of my future videos. Don't forget to let me know how you're doing or how your day is going. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.